Welcome to our journey into prompt design. Today, you will learn how to craft powerful prompts for AI. Have you ever wondered how to get the best responses from AI? The secret lies in understanding prompt design. A well-structured prompt can lead to clearer and more useful outputs. Let's dive into the key components of a great prompt. First, clarity is essential. Your prompt should clearly convey what you want. Ambiguity leads to confusion and poor responses. Next, specificity elevates your prompts. Instead of asking for general information, request particular details. For instance, ask for a list of 3 benefits instead of just tell me about the topic. Another crucial element is context. Provide background to guide responses. If you are asking about AI in education, mention this context in your prompt. Now let's consider the order of your information. Start with the most important aspects first. This ensures that the AI prioritizes them when generating its response. Finally, experiment with phrasing. Small changes can make a big difference. To see this in action, imagine you want to know about renewable energy sources. Instead of asking, "What are renewable energies?" list the top 3 renewable energy sources and explain their benefits. This simple adjustment leads to a focused response. In short, clarity, specificity, context, order, and experimentation are key. Don't hesitate to take your time refining prompts. Now that you understand prompt design, it's time to apply these principles. Start crafting your own prompts today and observe the enhancements in AI responses. In the next video we will discuss about basic prompting methods. Stay connected with us. Thank you.